Hey everyone, let's talk about, is life coaching really a pyramid scheme? So I love that you're asking yourself this question because you're probably thinking about becoming a life coach. And it's good to do your research ahead of time because pyramid schemes are illegal. And actually, I want to read you the definition by Webster here. So, pyramid schemes are an illegal operation in which participants pay to join and profit mainly from payments made by subsequent participants. So basically, what this means is that money is being made by recruiting new people onto your team, and they need to pay a startup fee to join instead of actually selling the company's product. So, pyramid schemes are not a sustainable business model because basically the people at the top of the pyramid are walking away with lots of money. And then the people at the bottom of the pyramid are walking away empty handed, broke, and usually in debt. So, lots of multi level marketing or direct sales companies use pyramid schemes, unfortunately. And I was actually involved in one before I became a life coach. And even though I am grateful for the opportunity to learn how to become an entrepreneur, and it was really the first time in my life that I learned how to do sales and marketing. When I think back to it, the company that I was involved with, I was making more money at the end of the day by recruiting people to join my team, and I was making money off their sales versus actually selling the supplements. And then all the money that I was making from my team, I was pouring back into buying supplements so that way I could use the product and say and advertise that I was using the product. But really, I was just wasting my money on all these expensive supplements and not being able to leave the world of nursing behind like they promised me. So I don't want to badmouth direct sales or multi-level marketing companies here because I know that there is a lot of people who are thriving from doing them and making good money and improving their lives. So I'm not here to badmouth any multi-level marketing or direct sales companies because I know that there's a lot of people out there who are thriving from doing it and getting the skills that they need to be able to support themselves and their families. But I just want you all to know that life coaching is not multi-level marketing or direct sales. It's not a pyramid scheme. So with life coaching, we provide a service that is meant to enhance and improve people's lives. Basically, we help people to set goals and create action plans so they can create the life that they desire to have at the end of the day. So there's no teams, no one is being recruited. Each life coach is creating her own business and most of the time structuring it as an LLC. And I remember that when I was in direct sales, I didn't know of anyone that was actually taking the time to properly structure and form their own businesses. So that's a big difference there already. But sometimes life coaching can feel a bit scammy. And there are rumors out there that life coaching world is getting a bad reputation. And the reasoning behind that is there's a lot of people out there who are calling themselves a coach and charging lots and lots of money and aren't getting properly trained. They're not going through a coach training that's accredited through the International Coaching Federation. And personally, if I was working with a coach who was charging me like $10,000 or more and wasn't actually providing the service of coaching and I wasn't getting the results that I needed, like you better believe that I would be upset and frustrated and very mad at the coaching industry that someone was portraying themselves as a coach, but didn't actually know what coaching was or didn't get trained as a professional life coach. So what I'm doing on my end is to help improve the reputation for the life coaching industry is by starting my own life coach training program that will be accredited by the International Coaching Federation this spring. And it's a 7-month online program where the first 3.5 months you're learning how to coach at a professional coaching level, helping your clients to create goals, providing accountability, structuring a professional coaching session, knowing the right questions to ask, letting your client take the lead, right? And then the last 3.5 months is teaching you how to build a profitable online coaching business from scratch. And also making sure that you are an ethical coach as well, and that you're not doing any harm to your clients. I really feel that it is my passion and calling in life to make sure that coaches are properly trained and they have the confidence necessary to go out there and charge good money for their services, and that they're doing it in integrity and they're not doing anything illegal or scammy or slimy out there, because it's really hard to sell when you're doing it from that place of being out of integrity and sounding like a used car salesman. So I promise you all, there is no pyramid schemes, there's no scams going on over here in our side of the world with life coaching. I can't say what other coaches are doing out there, but what I recommend is to do your research. If you're thinking about hiring your own life coach or joining a coach training program, please make sure that they are accredited by the International Coaching Federation, or they have their ICF credentials, because this means that they took the time and the money to get properly trained, and that you're going to get the best results as a client. So with that being said, we did start coach training this week, but we do have 3 spots left open. So if you're interested in learning more information and you want to get trained through our coach training program, just go ahead and check out the link below for the information. You can go ahead and apply, and we'll set up an interview together to make sure it's a good fit for you moving forward. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching these videos every week. And I'm so excited for you to get started on your journey of becoming a life coach. All right. Bye, everyone.